If you want to change icon theme on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can go to the Themes app. Now over here in Themes app, we can switch to Themes category, and we can search for themes that have icon themes that we might like. So for example, I'm gonna go over here, and as you can see, we have some new icon styles in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download the theme, and of course there might be some compatibility issues, but I'm gonna press got it anyway, because most of the time icons can work regardless of compatibility issues. Next, we're gonna go to customize instead of apply, and in your case you will most likely have everything selected over here, so you want to uncheck everything except for icons, and we can press apply. And after that, we can go back to the home screen, and as you can see, we have a new theme for our icons. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.